Hello everyone. Our today's video topic is Google Earth. In this video we will review Google Earth Android application. So this application has 4.3 ratings on Play Store with over 2 million reviews. The download size of this application is 8.4 megabytes and it has over 100 million plus downloads. If we see the interface and screenshots of this application, this is how it looks like and this is how it shows places. Now let's study about this application. Find satellite images of any location, discover cities and mountains with tours, explore the whole world from above with satellite imagery and 3D terrain of the entire globe and 3D building in hundreds of cities around the world. Zoom to your house or anywhere else, then dive into for a 360 perspective with street view. See the world from a new point of view with Voyager, a collection of guided tours from BBC Earth, NASA, National Geographic, and more. And now visualize the immersive maps and stories you created with the Google Earth on web on your mobile device. What's new in this application? An improved search experience now includes location suggested points of interest, data layers, and guided tours in Voyager. The version of this application is 9.162.0.2, updated on May 10 to 2022. Now let's study the reviews of users of this application. Austin Ware says, wish it still had the pin drop feature. It's become very hard to find out what you are looking at unless you want a Google coordinates at all the time. Though the project feature it is nice, really like the detail that it gives, makes it really easy to orient yourself and figure out how to get to where you are trying to go. Jay Stewart says, I will give credit to this app, a brilliant amount of detail if the map even loads. Since about 2 weeks ago, the map does not load at all and becomes extremely blurry. Another thing I am unhappy about is when I try to search something, the whole search suggestion sometimes shows underneath my keywords. Kevin Isaac says Google Earth is an amazing app. They hold the unique distinctions of being an app that really has no viable competition. They are only company that has been able to do anything like they have done with Earth and have held that title for ages. I love exploring the world easily 3D cities and often spend more my time on this application. Joshua S says, slippery map. Why would I want north to shift around so much? The default should be lock the map into north position and maybe allow the users to toggle that off. Though I don't know why you would ever want to do that. Otherwise, this is how maps should be. Around a flat earth is in Google Maps is confusing and deceiving. Why have two apps when one will do? Of, of the story of Google and their infinite apps that serve one purpose. Jeremy M says, I mean, it can be fun, but I see nothing that stock installed Google Maps doesn't do. The street view is precisely the same with the same locations that haven't been updated in 10 years. 3D view sounds interesting until you use it. I think the PS1 had better graphics, overall underwhelming, and frankly, this app sucks. Alan Bainbridge says, second time loading this app, last time was 3 years ago, maps out of the date 3 years ago, my home address showed me a car I owned 2 years previously, loaded it up today, surprisingly that same car is still parked there, making the mapping system at least 5 year out of date. No, so no really any age for route planning as so many new roads are altered system. One-way routes added on Exchange have been missed by Google Earth will be uninstalled same day it was installed. Unfortunately, Jonathan R. Losito says, I really like using Google Earth, but I don't really use it often anymore. I used to give it 5 star, but now I am giving it 4 stars, and that is because this actually is very old app. This app have been around since I guess 2009, 2012 or 13, and it used to have many roads and buildings labels, but it seems like they got rid of most features, and it's something glitches on me, especially on most other devices, even though I still have memory space. Otherwise, I still a great app.